Hello friends, my name is Mahmood Durani. This is my channel Accounting. Today is lecture number 9. Friends, I have done CPA Certified Public Accountant, C articles, BBS Bachelor of Business Studies, BCom Bachelor of Commerce, and I have 6 year experience of accounting of jobs in multinational companies, and also I have teaching experience and I have done jobs in different countries. Today our topic is accrued expense. Friends, this topic is most important. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Friends, if you will subscribe my channel, so you will get all my lectures, updates. I have done any topic of I have done lectures on any topic of accounting, and in future I in future inshallah I will do more lectures for accounting. Friends, today our topic is accrued expense. Accrued expense. Friends, accrued expense are those expenses which occurred but not paid. Is called accrued expense. The expense which occurred but not paid is called accrued expense. For example, now I will explain the accrued expense, and also we will do journal entry for the accrued expense in this lecture, and also I will do adjustment entry for accrued expense. These are most important journal entries for accrued expense. So, for example, we take one example for accrued expense. Before example, I some explain the accrued expense to make the concept of you guys. Friends, accrued expense is our liability. This is most important point. Accrued expense is our liability. Why? Question is, accrued expense is why our liability. We are saying expense, and again we are saying this is liability. So it brings some confusion in mind. One side expense, one side liability. So please don't confuse. It's very easy concept. We are saying all those expenses which occurred but not paid. These are called accrued expenses. Right? Now we take example. For example, July month salary not paid by company. Friend, salary is our expense but not paid. Not paid our company. So not paid mean company will pay. When company will pay, so it become liability. Expense, salary is expense, but up to 31st July the company not paid. Company will pay in August the salary. So then therefore it become our liability. It is clear? Salary is our expense, but the company not paid in July. Company will pay July salary in August. Right? Company will pay July salary in August. Salary is expense, but if the company will pay this salary in August, so it's mean it is our liability. Okay friends, let's come in the July month. Accountant what do? For the book of accounts, accountant will do one entry because we are making our accounts on accrual basis. Accrual basis generate the terms accrued. Right? Accrual basis say record transactions in the month in which it occurred. For example, if salary we not paid in July, but we will record in July because this is accrual concept. When we pay salary of July in August, then again we will do one entry. So this entry will be adjustment entry. Okay, now we do journal entries and also adjustment entry. This is our ledger. This is debit, this is credit, debit, credit, this is date column, here particulars, accrued salary. Okay, 31st July we not paid salary, so we will do entry for if we not paid, so we will not do entry. No, it's not like this. We not pay the salary, but we will do entry. Okay, salaries expense debit, for example $20,000 and accrued salaries credit $20,000. Why salary expense debit? Because it is expense, and expense will always debit in accounting according to debit credit rule, which is my lecture number 4. Okay, accrued salaries. Why accrued salary debit credit? Why accrued salaries credit? Because it is our liability, and liability here increasing, so therefore $20,000 accrued salary credit. $20,000 total. $20,000 total. July, this is narration. July accrued salaries friends. Now we will do adjustment entry for accrued salaries of July month. Now the month of August came, right? Here we will do in August, we will do one journal entry more for the adjustment of this entry. Date, particulars, debit, credit, accrued salaries, August entry. Now this is the month of August. What we will do in the month of August, we paid salary. Here I write, in the month of August we paid salaries, but this salaries of July salary. Paid salaries of July. In the month of August we paid salaries of July. This is 30th August. This is August, and we are paying the salary for July. Again and again I am saying this is August month, but this salary we are paying of July. So accrued salaries, we did one entry in our July, so now we will accrued salary we will debit, because accrued salary is our liability, and here liability decreasing. When liability decrease, we debit it. This is debit credit rule. $20,000, and we paid salary through bank, through checks. Bank is our asset. Asset is decreasing, so when asset decrease, we will credit $20,000. This is debit credit rule, which is my lecture number 4. Friends, if you not subscribe still my accounting channel. Kindly subscribe my channel to get all my lectures. Okay, this is total. Here narration: paid accrued salaries of July in August month. Friends, our accrued salary entries have done, and our accrued expense concept has cleared. Here my lecture ending. Thank you. Kindly subscribe my channel.